Okay, morning everyone. Welcome to this session number 489. Um, yeah, 89. And today I will continue with this problem. I think that I am close to solve. Currently, I have these results wrong, and this is true because return 0. But the situation is why always return 0. I am thinking okay. I was thinking, sorry, in maybe the reason is because I am making a few cycles inside them, because in any moment I am, let me explain with that row. Yeah, I am thinking that maybe the reason is because, for example, the direction are this, right, down, left, and up. In this case, for example, if I am here, I move to right, I move to right. In this case, I move to right, it's not possible. Okay, the next is down. Now, right, no, down, right, no, okay, down. Imagine that I can, the difference between this and this is not enough. Need to take another direction. In this case, this is done, this is done. Now the next that is for this, yeah, here. Now here try to come back, but it's not possible. Now the next that is down. Yeah, now the next move is to right, but imagine that this is very higher. Yeah, means that, okay, the right is not possible, down is not possible, left, you know, this case, right is not possible, down no, left no, up. And basically I am doing cycles here. I need to avoid pass for this node if previously with this path I cross it. Yeah, because this come back here and basically do the same. Yeah, the strange is that why return 0, but I think that is for the reason. I have this feeling. Well, now, in this case, I think, let me check. Um, at ABS is the current less this, but absolute value is positive. ABS is mean or equal M is that I can continue. It's not my parent, this is wrong. And it's target cell, this is okay. Now, yeah, I think that is for this. Okay, and now for solve this, I think that I need to pass one hash set here to save the nodes that currently following this path is adding. Yeah, I think that is so expensive, but it's my only idea in this moment. Pass one list and basically every time add a new elements. Um, mhm, mhm. Yeah, because in this case, let me check the behavior. I don't like this app here. Mission here. Solution here. Yeah, I think that is better this. Now the first time in this case L is 0 and R is 8. The mid is 4. Um, is 4 or should 4. Now is valid path with the media in this return false. I am saying with 4 it's not possible, but this is wrong because with 4 I have this path or this path. Yeah, because 1, 2, 2 and 1. No, 1 and 2, the maximum difference is 1. 2 and 2 is 0. 2 and 5 is 3. Okay, the maximum is 3. And in this side is the difference between this is 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, in this case, the answer is 2. But I am saying that with the 4 is not enough. And it's for this reason, because this return false. Now, I think that I can create a new array list. No, I think that hash set integers, obviously. And in this case, hash set sin. Yeah. And the first is validate if this exists. Oh, but it's an integer. No, this is wrong. It's a I'm not sure. I think that I can use an array. Let me check, because in Java, few times we have issues with these kind of things. Hashed using with arrays. Arrays don't override the hash code and equals implement object class to arrays which consider identical to each other. If you use array list instead of array, your problem will be solved since array. Okay, yeah, exactly. Yeah, it's exactly for this, for the equals. In this case, I think that instead of this, I can use the array list. Sorry, instead the array of integers is array list of integer. Yeah. And yourself, I think the binary search on the effort and do DFS, BFS to check it if you can. Yeah, the idea is exactly this, trying to avoid many operation here. The idea is take the minimum is 0, the maximum is 8 in this case, and calculate the half is 4, and is try to discover if exists at least one path with this minimum difference. In this case, for example, this and this, yeah, have this maximum difference, what is true return. And basically, I am saying that it's not necessary perform this operation with higher values that 4. You can reduce but not increase, or positive. Yeah, but yeah, this is exactly the idea. But I am having the problem with I yeah, I had the problem, or I have the problem right now, because I am returning 0, and it's because I am not tracking the current nodes that I visit before. Yeah, and for the reason I am doing this, but I am trying to use the hash asset. You know what? I think that is much better only a simple string. And in this case, I need to ask if contains, in this case, if row, or row, comma, code, and in the case that is contained, I think that I return here. I'm not sure. I think that is return false or return true. Because, for example, if I am moving here, now this, now this, now this, and before to move to the next, where I reach this position, I move to this position, I ask, this is, I ever been before here? In this case, no. Okay, add and continue. Okay, I think that this is wrong. Where is contained? Here, I'm not sure if I need return true, false. I think that I can return true. No, no, it's false. And for example, I am here, and the first is the one, or this cell has been checked before. In this case, is no. You can continue. Yeah, in this case, the continue is basically move in these directions. In this case, it's right. I need to check if it's valid. Yeah, it's valid. I can move in the right side. I calculate the ABS. I have those here because I can mark the cell as a visit until discover if the difference between this and this is enough. No. Yeah, because I am thinking in this moment in the next problem. Yeah, for example, I am here. Well, Come on. I'm here and I move this, move this, move this, and move this. Yeah. But for example, where I mark the cell as a visit only for only reach, I think that I can cause a possible problem because, for example, if I move in this direction and is enough, and for example, the maximum difference is only 2, this instead to go to this side, have another path, well, you imagine that is one here, can move in this direction, and another direction is for this, and another direction is for this, yeah? And for example, this disappear and all. Yeah, and this is the one path where all the values are minor equal to. But the problem is that if I mark the 5 as a visit only for visit, well, it's a problem because okay, I think that for example, if I am here and I have the two possible directions, this and this. For hierarchy, well, is right, bottom. In this case, for the bottom, the difference is not minor equal 2, is 3, no? In this case, it's not enough. But yeah, I remember that all these paths only have one hash set and another is like this and is another hash set, means that where this reach the 5, uh, these 5 don't appear or doesn't appear in this hash set because it's another path. Yeah, I think that I am right, but in this case is sync dot add and ooh. Oh yeah, sure. The only thing is that if I use this, I'm not sure if I pass the reference or the value here. Mm. Oh, I think that with this, yeah, because in another way, I think that I can pass the reference and it's not my idea. What? Ah, this. Let me check your answer. One moment, please. What is wrong here? Yeah, sure. New this and this close here. This is wrong. It's an string. The n. Why are you still returning 0? Oh, this is mine. Why I can't see you? Is this? Is here. Check. Da, 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 da. Okay, with a pair while it's empty. But you are using the BFS, right? You are using the BFS. Mm, okay. Here. While queue is empty, I get the Mm, mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah, in this case, I am using the DPS for do it, but I'm not sure about this. Mm, okay, the first time for this should be true. Is false. Wrong. Why? Let me check because I'm not sure. In this case, for example, it's the first time. Basically, I am here and I am zero row. Scene zero is not contained. Can continue. Um, mm, oh, in here. Yeah, I'm here and I need to ask if it's valid move in the, for example, right. In this case, yeah, should be valid. Huh? Now the difference between 1 and 2 is 1. It's possible, yeah, because M is 4. Mm-hmm. Is target cell false? Now I am in the 0 and 1, yeah, basically here. And do exactly the same. Yeah, true, 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 false, and move to the other two. Now in the direction, in this case, the first direction is not valid because it's right and is out of the, Now the next that is right bottom. This is, oh, what? Why? Okay, here, row 0, column 2, row 0, 0, 1, 2. Okay, I am here and I am asking if the direction is bottom. Why is not valid? Row it's greater equal 0 and row it's minor than the length. In column it's greater equal 0 and col it's minor. Why is false? Is for this. New row is less 1. Why? Row is 0. Let me check. Maybe I am wrong with my directions. Right is column positive. Bottom is this negative. Left, this is negative, the column, and up, this is positive. No, I am right. I don't know how you can solve these kind of problems yourself. I need to practice more because until now, well, this problem is still. I feel that these problems are hard to me. Uh, yeah, I like it. I like it. These kind of problems uh, because it's a different way to see the algorithms. You know, it's not the well, it's a classical binary search, but it's not in the classical way. Yeah. Um, mm, 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 mm. Why? A row zero, column two, and the direction is less one. That is in the top. Why? Okay, I think that something in here. One, two, two. Okay, I need to move. Blah 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 blah. Yeah. Um, now I move in the. Now I am here. Blah 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 blah. The next that is 01. Now I am here. Okay, I am here, and the first direction is right, and the next is bottom. The right is not right because doesn't exist. Is valid. In this case, is in row 0 and 3. No. Now the next that is bottom. New row. Less 1. Less 1 0. Right increase. Left decrease. Mm, this is right. No. And if I am here, and I need decrease, I am thinking that maybe I am wrong here, like this. Okay. I will do again the debug. I'm here. Okay, yeah. La 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 la. Now I am in the next cell. Yeah. Okay. Now I am here in the two. And the first is in the right, you have option, no, because it's out of the range. The next that is 1 and 0. Why 0? Is the deal, sorry. is the row one and the column. Yeah. It's okay. Now I move in this direction. Yeah. Now I am here. Yeah, I will move this. Okay, now row one, column two, row one, column two here. Uh-huh. Row one, column two, and I will move to the right, but it's not possible. Continue. For the bottom, yeah, it's possible. And now the difference between this and this should be have 3 ABS is 3. 3 it's mean or equal the target, yes or is the target cell, is true. This should be have true, and now this is true. Okay, is, oh, sorry, is for this because in this moment try to, yeah, is this DPS. Okay, I think that I will modify this because in essential is that reach this position and try to continue. And for example, move to the next and blah, blah, blah. Yeah, in this case is that the first is validate if, is the target cell. If this is true, I need return this. Well, it's not necessarily the else, and it's possible path, and this is not. Okay. The TPS. Okay, I will submit. I hope don't have errors. Oh, yeah. Time limit exit. Yeah, I think that is because I am doing many transversals. What is happening here? I'm here, move to the right now, down, right now, down. And where is the target cell? No, where the next is the target cell. Like this, I calculate the difference. Yeah, I know, but yeah, I think that I am is so expensive with this, but where is the target cell? I return the is possible path. Basically, the validation between this and this. If it's enough, return true. And we return true, come back to right. right bottom. Okay, this come back. I am here, and this DFS return true, and this return true, and come back and come back. Yeah, I think that is working well. This, but how can I improve the time limit exceed? Mm, 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 mm. Okay, only for be sure, let me comment this. I think that it's not this because the hash set is the time complexity is constant. Yeah. Mm, yeah. Well, I respond this in Spanish. Sí, es que si lo paso de esta manera, sin el new hash set, manda las referencias. Según yo, manda las referencias. Eso no me gusta de Java, que manda las referencias. Entonces, no, mira. A ver, le voy a dar submit. Oh, yeah, was this bad? Well, why in this case? Let me check. Hash set um, copy values, because in essential is that where, for example, you have the hash set. I know when you have the for example a data structure and you pass as an argument in a function, you are passing the reference to, right? Mm, I have this though, but in this case, okay, if pass the reference, yeah, but let me try to follow because it works, but I don't know why. Why this don't this hash um, doesn't cause an error. I am here, and it's right, bottom, left, top, up. Sorry. In this case, I am here. Move to this. Do you imagine that in this case the minimum? Oh well, m is one. Yeah. Difference between this and this is one. It's okay. Zero. It's okay. It's not right. Bottom zero and right it's not okay, and bottom in this case is 3. Yeah, and this is the same reference. Yeah, where I come back, the next direction is left. In this case, well, do you imagine that is 1? The difference between 2 and 1 is 1. Okay, it's done. Now I am here, and now try to go to the right. It's not possible because has been checked before. Come back. Bottom in this case is here, 1 and 3. The difference is 2. It's not possible. Now, left, no, right, bottom, left. Now I am here. I move to this side. It's not possible because it's the difference between 1 and 3 is 2. Is greater than 1. Now the last is this, but has been checked before. Now come back to this. Come back to this. Now here, no, is here, right? Come back, come back. No, no, no. I'm here. Now, the next is this, left, up. Okay, come back to this. right, bottom, left, and up. Left is not possible, and up is not possible. Come back to this. Now here is right, bottom. In this case, I can follow this path. If I move to this, in this moment, for example, I have 1, 2, 2, 2, and 8 in the hash set. But where I come back to this, following the back trace, I can move in this direction because I am saying that the 8 has been checked before. Okay, and now come back to this. Sorry, it's not 8, it's 1 in this example. Come back to this, and now for this is right, it's done. Bottom. In this case, I think that this is marked as a visit. No. I can move no because it's graded at 1. Mm, mm, I am not. Uh, mm, 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 mm. Okay, yeah, yeah, I understood. Basically, in this, sorry, I need to check something. Okay, yeah, basically here, yeah, it makes sense. All the cells that contains zinc contains all the cells that has been checked before. Mm, 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 why? Okay, no, I need to check this row because still don't clear why don't affect have the same hash set or save the path. I'm here, and now is right, right, right is not possible, but bottom, right is not possible, bottom. In this case, for example, it's true because m it's equal 4, yeah. Come back and basically is L it's equal 0, right it's equal 4 less 1 is equal 3. The half of this element is 1. Okay, now I am here. Oh, I'm here. Come on, why? Okay, I'm here. Now it's right. The difference between this and it's 1. Difference between this is 1. Okay, now between this and this is 1. Yeah, Now to the right is not possible. Bottom, the difference is 0, is right. In this case, in the right side is not possible. Now this with this is false. Yeah. Now come back. Sorry. Come back here. And now the next is right, bottom, left here. The difference between this is 1, no. Okay, come back, come back, come back. In this case is right, no. Has been checked. Bottom, okay, difference between 2 and 8. In this case is not checked because I am saying that previously one element visit this cell, but this is my problem. Why, for example, if I have one, two, three, four, no. Oh, I am clicking P and select the okay. I 4, 6, 3. Come on. 4 and 1, 1, 1, 1. Now, for example, here, this is 6. This is 6. And the half is 3. Okay, the difference between this and this is 1. Difference between this and this is 0. And this is not right. Now, this with this is 3. It's right. Now, this is not okay. In okay, let me change this. For example, the difference between 1 and 6 is 5. It's not okay. Come back to this, but this has been checked before. Come back to this. Right, bottom, left. In this case, I will use another color here. The difference with this is not right. Okay, come back and up. It's not has been checked before. Okay, come back to this. Come back to this, and now in this case, right is done. Bottom, the difference between this and this is 2. Yeah. But in this case, for example, this has been checked or has been marked as a invalid or as a visit. Yeah, means that I can cross for this path. But I think that is possible or should be possible because, for example, the difference between 4 and 6 is 2. And difference with this is not enough, but the 6 with 6 is 0, and the 6 with 6 is 0. No, this is another path. But if I use the same reference, I can cross for this way. This is my door. Why works? Because in this case, if this is the if this is the m, it's equal 3, and do this exercise. Come back. return false. But it's true because the difference with this and this. Okay, let me check. 544. Oh no, bad idea with this is 544. 161 166. But why? And the answer that return is true. Let me check. Where this is return false, where is false, I am moving this case is L, it's 1 plus 6 7 between 2 3 again, return false, and now L it's equal to 2 plus 6 is 8 between 2 is 4 is possible. In this case it's not. Yeah, I need to study this because it's not clear to me. This. Possible move to in this direction. You can continue and add. Okay. I think that is because in the hash set I am only saving the cell that I reach, no the cells. Yeah, because for example here, where the DPS. In this case, for example, if I am here, do you imagine that I am in this two? Yeah, and for example, the difference that I am searching is only one, for example, means that this with this is not enough. But well, in this case, scene contains the one, two, two. Sorry, two, and the new is the two. Okay. Now I make the direction and I ask to the right is valid. No. To the bottom is valid. Yeah. And the first is calculate. The difference between this and this is 3. And for example, in this case, if the difference that I am searching is 1, this is false and means that this is that get cell. I return false. Yeah, I return false here. Now for this return is target cell, and I return false because the difference is not 1. But in any moment, I add this 5 to the in scene because it's I reach the cell where I use this, no, where I calculate the ABS. Yeah, I think that, yeah, it's for this because I was confusing this, but no, the cell is processed only where cross this line, no, this line, yeah. But well, I think that it's was hard to me. Oh, do you have another solution, right? Let me check. Sorry. I submissions. Okay, this is your solution. Minimum effort. Okay, NM, both DPS. Shade the limit to 4 and check the directions. Okay. Okay, I think that this is for valid the position. No. And yeah, it's for valid the position. In the visit, you have the vector of Boolean. Well, this is a good approach. Use the matrix with Booleans. Yeah. ABS, the difference is greater that limit. You can continue. In other case, you can perform again this operation. Now, okay, it's equal to I don't understand much at this. You add this, you apply the TPS. Okay, where you start and visit, it's equal n, that is the size, is 1. I return the result. Okay, yeah, definitely your solution is more clear than mine. Okay, I think that I need to translate as a Java code for understand a little bit more. But well, I think that it's a good try. Let me solution using binary search plus DPS Java, and I will remove no any comments. It's okay this way. It's my solution. Yeah, definitely I need to practice more because I feel hard this kind of problems. And and okay, I think that we are done. But well, thanks for following the transmission, and I hope see you in the next. Bye bye.